It is through the Apple ID that users access any of the services of Apple. So in case of any sort of discrepancy or error in it, users should ensure that they should immediately get that resolved. There are different troubleshooting ways through which the user's issues can be resolved on an instant basis. Users looking for the same can quickly follow the guidelines as mentioned in this tutorial in order to get a one-stop solution for the issue. In case of direct assistance for resolving such kind of issue, users will require to connect with the Apple agents who are available 24/7 to resolve such kind of issue. Their prime motive is to troubleshoot the user's issue in one go without any sort of hesitation. In case there are technically fit people who want to perform troubleshooting steps of their own, then they can simply do is move down the tutorial and follow the troubleshooting guide as mentioned down in the tutorial in order to get one-stop solution for the issue, without any sort of hesitation or giving a second thought. Here are different ways to fix Apple ID not working issue on an instant basis. Firstly, when authenticating the Apple ID, users should firstly check if they are well connected to the internet. If not, then they should connect to the same on an immediate basis, and enjoy uninterrupted services with their Apple ID. Users can next try restarting or force restarting their Apple device, and then they should try authenticating their Apple ID, which should then work for the users, if that is the real cause of the issue for the users. Users can try logging out of their Apple ID in their respective device, in which they have signed in, and then they can again try signing into their device, which should then work for the users, if that is the concern or real issue for the users. Lastly, if none of the things work for the users, then connecting with authorized agents for quick troubleshooting guidance and resolution of the issue on an instant basis, which should then certainly will work for the users.